Texas students bringing solar water heaters to one of the most remote corners of the planet.
You know, their mission is unfolding thousands of miles away in the Himalayas, and it's making a major difference. KVUE's Michael Courier explains how the project is changing lives.
Yeah, good morning. It's an initiative taking place here at the University of Texas, but its impact stretches all the way to northern India. A team of students is helping remote mountain communities access something many of us take for granted: warm water. In the remote villages of Ladakh, India, families face brutal winters. That's where Project Ladakh comes in, a student-led effort out of UT Austin, bringing solar water heaters to communities most in need.
Project Ladakh is an initiative started by myself, my brother, and two of my high school friends back in 2019.
The solar panels heat water using energy from the sun, offering a clean, reliable alternative to burning firewood.
Hot water is a necessity to bathe with and drink with. I remember hearing stories from the locals of the villages. They used to tell me that they had to go harvest and collect firewood months in advance before their winters, just so they can be comfortable during the winter.
Fellow UT student Ryan Bezdek joined the project this past summer, traveling through the region to help install the systems.
It was truly life-changing to see how other people live and how little they have and the privilege that we have, and I think that alone is a call to action to help out in any way possible.
Project Ladakh is raising money for more solar water heaters, with each one costing about $350, including installation.
The goal right now is $6,500. That's enough to install about 15 of the solar water heaters, but we would love to raise more, and if we raise more than $10,000, we will look into doing a full monastery restoration, so completely revitalizing some of these villages.
In a region with limited infrastructure, these small acts of sustainability are transforming daily life and inspiring others back home to do the same.
You just got to believe in yourself. You got to do it. You're going to fail 100 times, but it only has to work once. So if you truly believe in something, do it. Do it and be persistent.
And persistent is exactly what they are. Project Ladakh continues its fundraiser this semester, with students hoping to expand installations next summer. You can find more details on this project and their GoFundMe on our website, KVUE.com. Michael Courier, KVUE News.
Let's hope they raise the $10,000, because that really is like the full, they said, monastery
it can help that entire community there up in the mountains. And they were saying that even getting those solar water heaters up to the villages themselves is very difficult. There's a lot of cars that can't make that that journey to the villages. So it certainly is a whole process of getting those not just there, but installed and everything like that too.
Good for them. What a great project.
You know the saying at UT, what starts here changes the world. That's for sure.
For sure.
Yeah.
Works in this case, doesn't it? Thanks, Michael.